Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will react to Jeff Satur Rain Wedding. But before we start, make sure that you guys already subscribe my YouTube channel, and yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification so when I uploading the new video, you will get the notification. And also, if you want me to react to another video like Thai pop, K-pop MV, or maybe a Thai series, you can comment down below what video should I react next. But a little explanation about my Thai series reaction. I think I will start the Thai series reaction next year, because right now I didn't have much time to make like a long length video, like Thai series feel like a long video per episode, so I don't think I can make that right now. So but you can still comment down below so I can see and make a plan about to making the video for the next year Thai series reaction. So yeah, I think that's a little explanation about my YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's react to Jeff Satur Rain Wedding. 1, 2, 3. Already into the instrument. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I love Jeff's voice so much. Cute. What happened? Oh, I love that part. He died. I love that part. The final note part. Man, I love Jeff. I love Jeff so much. I love his voice so much. And also the music video is really cool, Really aesthetic. Focus on the voices, I didn't see the MV. Cute. I love the show, and the editing is really cool. Oh, I love that part. That part makes me emotional. to the new partner. That's really beautiful song. Wow. Oh, I love that shot. So pretty shot. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Jeff, I think this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know how many times did I just say that. I think I really love Jeff right now. His voice is like, oh, it's everything, you know, like, oh. And this song, it's really like makes me emotional, you know, like the melody and the high note when he hit the high note, it's like half a feeling on it. So like when he's singing, it's really like touch my heart. So that's why, like, oh my god, I love Jeff. I love Jeff, guys. He's just that good. I don't know what to say anymore. I mean, like, yeah, the MV is really pretty. I mean, there are so many shots that really cool. Like the, what is it called again? I forgot, but that's really cool. That's really cool. I love the music video and the storytelling too on the music video. It's really makes me uh, have emotional damage. That's really cool. Okay, so yeah, I think for today, for this song, I will give 10 out of 10. Yeah, Jeff, you always get my 10 because, wow, that's just too good for me. And yeah, I think that's all for today's reaction. Jeff Satur rating, I give that 10 out of 10. And okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification. Okay, see you on the next video, guys. Bye bye.